Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring some common questions about animal and human behavior. From why cats purr to why we cry when cutting onions, we'll be providing you with some fascinating answers. So, let's get started. Question 1. Do you know why cats purr? Cats purr for a variety of reasons. While many people assume that cats only purr when they're happy or content, they can actually purr when they're in pain or anxious as well. Purring is a way for cats to communicate with humans and other animals. It's believed that the vibrations produced by purring can have a therapeutic effect on the cat's body, helping to reduce stress and promote healing. Question 2. Do you know why we cry when cutting onions? Onions contain a chemical compound called syn-propanethyl S-oxide, which is released when the onion is cut or chopped. When this compound comes into contact with our eyes, it causes a stinging sensation, which triggers our tear ducts to produce tears. The tears help to flush out the irritant and protect our eyes. One way to reduce the amount of tears produced when cutting onions is to chill the onion before cutting it or to wear protective goggles. Question 3. Do you know why some people have dimples? Dimples are caused by a variation in the facial muscle structure. When some people smile, the muscles in their cheeks pull in a way that creates a small indentation, or dimple. Dimples are considered an attractive trait in many cultures and are often associated with youthfulness and beauty. Question 4. Do you know why we yawn? Yawning is a reflex that's triggered by a number of factors, including fatigue, boredom, and even social cues. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath of air, which helps to increase our oxygen intake and blood flow. Yawning may also help to cool down the brain and regulate body temperature. Question 5. Do you know why leaves change color in the fall? The changing colors of leaves in the fall is due to a complex interplay of environmental factors. As the days get shorter and the temperatures drop, trees begin to shut down their chlorophyll production. Chlorophyll is the pigment that gives leaves their green color. As chlorophyll production decreases, other pigments such as carotenoids and anthocyanins become more prominent, resulting in the vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows that we associate with fall foliage. Question 6. Do you know why our fingers wrinkle in water? When our fingers and toes are submerged in water, the outer layer of skin begins to absorb water, causing it to swell. However, the inner layers of skin don't absorb water as easily, which causes the skin to wrinkle. This wrinkling effect is thought to be an evolutionary adaptation that allows us to grip objects more effectively in wet conditions. Question 7. Do you know why some people have freckles? Freckles are caused by an overproduction of melanin, which is the pigment that gives our skin its color. People with freckles have a higher concentration of melanin in certain areas of their skin, resulting in the appearance of small, dark spots. Freckles are often genetic and tend to be more prominent in people with fair skin. Question 8. Do you know why we get hiccups? Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, which sits at the base of the chest cavity. These contractions can be triggered by a number of things, including eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, and even emotional stress. Hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, but persistent hiccups can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Question 9. Do you know why birds migrate? Birds migrate for a variety of reasons, including to seek out better food sources, breeding grounds, and milder climates. Many birds migrate in response to changes in daylight hours, with longer days triggering the production of hormones that stimulate breeding behavior. Some birds also use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate, allowing them to migrate thousands of miles with incredible accuracy. Question 10. Do you know why dogs wag their tails? Dogs wag their tails as a way of communicating with humans and other dogs. Tail wagging can indicate a range of emotions, from happiness and excitement to fear and aggression. The position of the tail and the speed and direction of the wag can all provide clues about a dog's mood and intentions. It's important to be aware of these cues when interacting with dogs, as misinterpreting them can lead to dangerous situations.